In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take the Solcasino token, stake it, and get rewards. So here we are at Twitter, Solcasino IO. If we scroll on down, we can see that people have been staking their SCS token and earning USDC. I've scrolled on down a little bit further and we can see that there's some considerable buying and selling volume for this token. Finally, it's available on Jupiter. So let's just click this link here and let's go and buy some. And I'm just going to buy a small amount, 0.7 Sol, buying $15 worth of this token. We'll swap and approve. While I'm here, I want to get this token address. This is a token address here. If I click on it, it'll take me to Solscan, and then I can come and I can copy this token address just like that. From here, I can go to Bird Eye and I can search for this token address. I've already got the chart up here, but if you come here for the first time, just click in here, paste it, and you can see it right here. Solcasino token. Now this is not financial advice, it's just educational. If we zoom out, we can essentially see that this token launched, it rocketed up, came crashing down. This was a perfect time to buy, and now it's gone up, which maybe it's a small amount of growth, but I would say it's kind of a steady growth. Around this point, the market cap was something like $10 million, the fully diluted market cap, and now it's $26 million. Now this is a working casino, and this token is certainly worth more than $10 million in my opinion, which is not financial advice. Now we have the token, we can go to solcasino.io and we can deposit the token. You can create an account if you want to. I've done another video on that. So let's click on deposit, crypto, SCS, deposit, Solana wallets. I'm going to do all of it. Click on max, deposit, and approve the transaction. Now this deposit's going through, it won't take us very long. There we are, we have our token right there. Now let's come over to the left-hand side, click on the hamburger menu, and then click on pool. And here, this is where we can deposit our token. So at the moment, there's 91 million SCS staked, and there is a deposit fee of 2% and an unstaking fee of somewhere between 0 to 2%, depending on how long you left it staked for. What you earn is not more SCS, but you earn USDC. So I'll click here, max, confirm, and now I'm staking it all. As the USDC is earned, we can harvest it by clicking on the harvest button, and we can do what we want with it. Just remember, there's a 2% deposit fee, and when we withdraw, there is a fee as well. So that's how you buy SCS token, in case you want to speculate, or if you want to stake it as well. Once again, not financial advice, but thanks for watching, and follow me for more tutorials on Solana.